Asuntoskeittiö Säästö Martti.
Today is 27th of October 2022. This is also in Iivisniemenkatu, Kaita's Espoo in the Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Osmania, Finland. And it's Iivisniemenkatu, Iivisniemekatu 2 staircase B. Here when the metro station will open on the 3rd of December, but 4 years late. And it should have been named Iivisniemenkatu, not Kaitans, because this is Iivisniemenkatu, that's the name of the district also.
Yeah.
It was built in 1969, turned 60 years old in 2019. It was finished in late 1969 because the building 4 was finished in 1970, also with basic structures. And the surface is 17235. Now I filmed the staircase here in 2019, so I don't need to film it again.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2024. And quite weird that here between floors 1 and P you can just take the elevator or the stairs are locked to them. It's strange. Let's take 2 routes, 2 4 lines. Or I mean, if you had a key, then you would also take one between 1 and P, the stairs.
Yeah.
Strange that you can take it without the key.
No, you can't take stairs. There are no stairs. It's very strange.
Very strange. That's maybe a budget issue or something.
Yeah. Spektiit parkkivaisuktaan, mentiin passilla.
But that is so weird. But because outside you can go with the stairs also.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what they thought. Because you can do it from outside. One. That's where we have the entrance with the codes. Yes, so that's it. Only the stick is the D lane for me to film.
That's